Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sallam. This is US4 TV. After service we done. Power on. Inshallah. This is smart TV. Google Android TV, smart TV, all apps working. YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, WhatsApp. This is the US4 TV 43-inch after we did service. New remote. So I will show you all the things. Here we will go settings. For Wi-Fi, number one, you have to connect settings and go to network and connect Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected. You have to do Wi-Fi connection first time. I connected with Ali Haidar IT consultant. Connected. Now we check about. This is smart TV. Android version is 12 and we will check YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, all the apps are there. You can also download your personal app. Netflix. Let's play Netflix. It's opening, so we'll go back. So any copyright issue. YouTube is opening. We'll just check the play anything else which will not do copyright. So volume is okay, and this is the video. We'll check the video quality. It is 1080. Let's check another video. Let's check the 4K. Let's play something. Check the result. Sorry for long video. We will check the what is the video FPS. So it is 1080. Okay. And what else? Apps. All the apps are there. Yes, this is important. Google Play Store. You have to open Google Play Store, you have to sign in, and then you can download your personal apps. Sign in. So you have to enter your Google email address and password. What else? Okay, if you go to the videos, you will open this movie. It's also a beautiful feature. You can directly play comedy, movie, horror, romance, action direct from here. Let's play any movie. copyright issue. See, so thank you for watching videos and stay with me for any IT services, CCTV, computer networking, data recovery, LCD, LED installation, settings, fixing. You can contact me. Please like and follow my channel and give your comments and feedback. Thank you very much.